Introduction to Trello Automation.
Trello is a powerful project management tool, and integrating it with automation services can save time and streamline your workflow. By connecting Trello with tools like Butler and Zapier, users can automate repetitive tasks, reduce manual updates, and improve team collaboration. In this video, we'll explore practical ways to boost your productivity by automating your Trello boards.
Getting started with Butler for Trello?
Butler is Trello's built-in automation tool. It lets you create rules, buttons, and scheduled commands to handle routine actions. For example, you can set Butler to move cards to a done list when marked complete, or assign tasks to team members automatically. Setting up Butler is user-friendly, with simple menus to design custom automations tailored to your workflow.
Automating cross-platform tasks with Zapier.
Zapier connects Trello to thousands of other apps, making it possible to automate tasks beyond your boards. For instance, you can have Zapier create new Trello cards from emails, calendar events, or form submissions. This eliminates manual data entry and ensures important information always reaches your project boards, keeping your team updated in real time.
Popular use cases, streamlining workflows.
Practical automation can transform Trello usage. Common examples include automatically archiving old cards, sending Slack notifications when cards move, or updating due dates in bulk. Marketing teams might sync Trello with Google Sheets to capture campaign progress, while help desks can create Trello cards from support tickets. These integrations enhance efficiency and reduce human error.
Best practices and tips.
When integrating Trello with automation tools, start with essential tasks to avoid overwhelming your workflow. Test each automation thoroughly before deploying widely. Regularly review automations to ensure they remain relevant as your team's needs change. Combining simple Butler rules with powerful Zapier connections can significantly boost productivity while maintaining clarity and control over your processes.